Alright, here's a little video, show you what we got going on today. Working on the chicken coop. We got us a roof up there. And not a roof, we got it framed in. Oh yeah. Got us a vent on this side. Door. Woo, look at that. Look here, look here. Come in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's all chicken wire up there. Look here, see the post? See the poles? Look here. Along that back wall there. It's 3 and 2. Be 5 nesting boxes. Be some perch rods here from the perch on. I think might even put a little ramp up going up this side and put a little perch up here. But that's what we got going on, man. Peace.